Let's connect Adromeda to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for Adromeda in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. Adromeda connects with a postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it, then in Adromeda, paste it into the postback URL section of your postback settings. Back in wecantrack, your Adromeda account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.